Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Club Pro Plus and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset of these earbuds. So the first, as you can see, I'm currently connected with my phone, and to perform the reset we have to put them back to the case. As you can see, everything's fine, the indicators are turned on. And another step, we have to rotate the case like that, and we have to click and hold this button until these indicators right here start blinking on the white, and also this connection disappear. You can use the thin item. So for example, I'm gonna use this pen. So click, hold, take a look on the indicators. Maybe I'm gonna hold it like that. Let's make it one more time. Okay, and right now you can release. As you can see, the currently connection just disappear, and it looks like it's some kind of the bug because it just connect back and then disappear. So let's tap on them once. As you can see right now, they completely disappear from the list, and it means that we successfully restored the default settings. So right now I can recommend you to close this case, power off Bluetooth on your phone, and if you want to connect them back, because for example you try to make the hard reset because you have some kind of the connection issue. So right now just open the case, enable Bluetooth, you can take them out of the case and they will show on the list. So we can just connect them back, accept the new pairing request, and there it is. Right now we are successfully connected. So as you can see, that's how we can perform the hard reset of our JBL Club Pro Plus. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.